Hello, Assalamualaikum, and a very good morning to all the candidates. So welcome to KPJ Healthcare Berhad. So we are happy to meet you today, and we are ready to learn more about your experience in nursing and patient care. So let me introduce myself first. My name is Fatima Azahra, and I'm the hospital director at KPJ. So one of my job scope is I oversee all the staff development across our hospital. So this is my co-worker.
Good morning, my name is Nadia, and I am part of the head department of medical and surgical ward, and I am also part of the panel for today, and I focus on training and mentoring. Okay, this session is group interview. Please relax and answer honestly. There are no right or wrong answer, so you can just share your own experience and skill. Is that okay?
Okay, I think if everyone okay, let's begin with some introduction. Please tell us about yourself and your why you choose nursing. So anyone can start first.
Good morning, my name is Nur Afrina Madrisha binti Rizal Al-Hadi, and I recently graduated from Diploma in Nursing from Unitel RCMP. I am applying for the position of staff nurse in medical and surgical wards. And I chose nursing because I have a passion for helping people and also providing a quality care for my patient. And during my clinical posting, I gained a lot of experience in medical and surgical wards.
Good morning, Miss. My name is Anadrisha Adreni binti Ismana. I choose nursing because I enjoy helping people and making a difference during difficult moments in their life. I have completed my diploma in nursing and gained a lot of experience, especially in medical and surgical wards during my clinical training. These experiences taught me the importance of responsibility, empathy, and patient care.
Good morning. My name is Farhanatul Ajwini Ramli, a dedicated nursing graduate with experience in various clinical settings. I am adaptable, attentive to detail, and committed to delivering safe and holistic patient care. I am motivated to grow professionally and contribute positively to your healthcare team.
Okay, thank you for your introduction. Can you tell us more about your educational background and how your qualifications have prepared you for the role of the staff nurse?
I completed my nursing studies at Unitel RCMP. This is where I gained strong theoretical knowledge and practical skills in patient care. During my training, I was posted in various departments such as medical, surgical, orthopedic, and also emergency wards. This posting helped me in understanding how to manage a different type of patient and how to perform nursing procedure and work part of multidisciplinary team.
I completed my diploma in nursing, where I gained strong theoretical knowledge in patient care, pharmacology, and medical surgical nursing. During my clinical training, I was exposed to various wards which helped me develop essential nursing skills such as patient assessment, medical administration, wound care, and infection control.
I completed my nursing studies with comprehensive clinical exposure in medical and surgical units. My education equipped me with strong foundations in patient assessment, clinical procedure, and ethical nursing practice.
Alright, that's good to hear. Now, can you share your experience during your clinical training where you apply your nursing skill effectively in terms of communication, teamwork, or patient care?
During my posting in the surgical ward, I was assigned to a care for post-operative patient, and I was responsible for monitoring the vital sign, assessing P level, and ensuring the wound dressing is clean and intact. But I noticed the patient's blood pressure was dropping and he was losing pain. I immediately informed the staff nurse in charge and the doctor. Because of my early detection and quick action, the patient received prompt treatment.
During my internship in the medical ward, I cared for a patient with diabetes who required regular blood glucose monitoring and insulin administration. I followed the 10 rights of medication, monitored the patient vital signs, and educated the patient about diet and medication compliance.
During my internship, I assisted in managing a post-operative patient by monitoring vital sign, assessing pain level, and also supporting medication administration under supervision. I also provide reassurance to the patient, which improves their comfort and also cooperation.
Thank you, everyone. Now, we'd like to know how about a time where you had to handle a stressful situation during your clinical training, and how did you manage it?
During my clinical training in medical ward, there was a day with many admissions and limited staff. I had to care for several patients at the same time. At first, it was stressful, but I remained calm and organized my tasks based on my priority.
During my clinical training, I experienced a busy shift where several patients required urgent attention at the same time. I felt stressed, but I stayed calm and prioritized tasks based on patient needs. I communicated clearly with my team, asked for help when necessary, and followed instructions from the senior nurse. By staying organized and focused, I was able to complete my duties safely and effectively.
In one situation, the ward became busy with multiple patient needs at the same time. I maintained composure, prioritize tasks according to urgency, and also collaborate closely with the nursing team. Staying organized helped ensure patient care was delivered safely.
Thank you all for sharing your thoughts. Now, we'd like to ask, how would you manage caring for multiple patients during a busy shift?
In medical surgical ward, I understand that caring for multiple patients is common. And I will manage this by prioritizing patients based on their condition and urgency, and also organizing my tasks such as medication first, procedures, and monitoring patient. By using a proper time management as well, I communicate with my team members and also my colleague and asking for assistance if needed.
I will start by prioritizing patients based on their condition and urgency. I will plan my tasks, manage them effectively, and ensure critical care is provided first. I will also communicate with my team and ask for assistance when needed to ensure all patients receive safe and quality care.
For managing multiple patients, I will assess each patient's condition, prioritize urgent cases, and manage my time effectively while coordinating with the team. Ensuring patient safety and handling mistakes is my top priority.
Thank you for sharing your resources. We are almost at the end of the session. Before we end, do you have any question?
May I ask, are there opportunity for career advancement or specialization in the future in this hospital?
Yes, KPG provides opportunities for training and specialization, which motivates our staff to develop professional skills and grow as competentness.
So for my question is, what challenges might I face during the first 3 to 6 months as a new staff nurse?
Okay, in the first few months, you can expect challenges such as adapting to the hospital workflow and managing time during busy shift. With guidance from the senior staff nurse and continuous learning, I believe you can overcome these challenges.
I also have one question. My question is, how does the hospital handle situation like staff shortage or very busy shift?
Thank you. That's such a good question. So at our hospital, patient safety remains a top priority even during the staff shortage or a very busy shift. So we monitor the staffing level closely and adjust duty roster when needed. We also coordinate standby staff and arranging overtime. So usually during the busy period, we emphasize teamwork and clear communication to ensure that all tasks are prioritized based on the patient condition. Senior nurse and also supervisor will also step in during that moment to provide support to the staff. And then at the same time, we focus on the staff well-being and also continuously review the staffing strategy to maintain a safe and efficient patient care. So I think that's all. Are there any further questions? So if not, we can conclude here. Thank you for your thoughtful responses.
Okay, thank you for your interest in Healthcare KPG Berhad, and we'll be in touch soon. So thank you.
Thank you.